Hi, this is Urvashi Kaur, and I'm happy to be here at IIED for this wonderful conclave on social impact by design. It's a very heavy topic, but I was extremely pleased to hear the multiple ways that one can create social impact. It was not only, I'm sure, insightful for all the students and the faculty, but what was brilliant was that it was a discussion. And so there was a lot of insight for us as well as part of the industry. And I thought that it was quite powerful, if I can use that word, because the ideas that came forth and the ways in which we can individually and in our larger capacities contribute towards this impact and to inspire future generations in doing that, I think was great opportunity. Yes, absolutely. It's about cultural appropriation. It's about how we are mindful that something that is very symbolic, something that's very personal to their region, to their community, to their traditions, is not disrespected in any way, and that we find a new voice, but not obliterating their voice. The idea is not to destroy, but to co-create. Fashion essentially has always been a reflection of our times, of what the world is going through collectively, environmentally, politically, economically, and then you have the self-expression. So while you may be driven by all of those parameters when you're designing, we must be mindful of every resource, be it human, the planet, ourselves, and our time that we use to create. And you have to be mindful because it is not infinite. And that is part of our legacy as Indians. What is our legacy? किसी चीज की संभाल कितनी अच्छी है और कितने साल वो टिक सकती है. And then you're passing down that clothing, that sari, that shawl, down to your daughter and your son and your future generations. You have to wear it with pride, even if it is gone through a lot of wear and a lot of tear. You can repair it, you can reuse it, you can rewear it, you can upcycle it, you can recycle it. So it's about holding on to that past in a new way, innovating in design for a better collective future for us and the planet. So we can't forget that we must be mindful of what we consume, and because the earth is what we are consuming in a way. Everything that it produces and it gives us, we cannot be disrespectful to that too. My experience was brilliant. I think I spoke a little bit in my earlier answer, the idea to have these interactive discussions with all stakeholders and the future generation students that are studying, to make them understand the why of why we do what we do, and how our businesses, even though they are mindful and conscious, can be sustainable, can be profitable, can cause larger impact. I think that is brilliant. This interaction at close quarters will certainly shape and change the narrative for the future generations of creatives. Whether they're in fashion or in some aspect, ancillary domain that supports that fashion. The idea is that every aesthetic, there is a market for every aesthetic. Stay true to who you are, be authentically yourself, and don't be driven by trends, but create your own. We are fortunate to be in a digital age where the tribe you want to be a part of, you will attract through the work that you do. stay consistent and choose the scale at which you want to work, and just stay true to who you are. You will find persevere.